So here's a cool little tip that the roofers on site actually just told us. So sometimes when we're sliding these slates back up into the roof, it's quite tricky to get them on the batten above. So what they've said is to actually cut this top edge, which I haven't done yet, with a reverse chamfer. So you see how it's chamfered on top. So basically he's like got the sharp edge on top. Well, if we cut that the other way, that'll help it glide up onto the batten. So yeah, let's give that a go. So I'm going to cut this, I'm trying to do it one-handed, but I'm just going to cut this like this all the way down to put a chamfer on the other side. So you can see that bit I've just cut there, spin it over. It's now got sort of the chamfer on the other side. So that means that it should grab onto the batten a little bit easier. So yeah, quite interested to see how that works. So you can see now on the front we've got like a straight edge, and on the back we've got a chamfered edge. So let's see if that helps us get the slate back up onto the batten. So yeah, I tried filming it, showing you with one hand, but it was too difficult. So I think it did make a bit of difference. In theory, I can see how it would make a difference. And yeah, I think it did make it easier. Not as easy as I thought it was going to be, but yeah, certainly did make a difference. So yeah, I can crack on with this and get the rest of these in.